And this, right here, is where they draw a line in the sand. The paper says it directly. There's no ambiguity. Your personal data, your private messages, your photos, none of it is used to train these foundational models. They are building this intelligence without looking over your shoulder.
But building the raw model, that's really just the beginning. After that, Apple puts it through this intense training and optimization process to make it smarter, faster, and efficient enough to actually live on your phone.
This happens in two main stages. First, there's supervised fine-tuning, where they basically show the model tons of high-quality examples to learn from. Then, and this is the really interesting part, comes reinforcement learning from human feedback. It's exactly what it sounds like. Real people interact with the AI and they rate its answers, giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Over millions and millions of these little interactions, the AI learns what's actually helpful and what people really want.
So the big question, how do you physically squeeze a 3 billion parameter model onto a phone? Well, you do it with some seriously aggressive compression. The on-device model's weights, the very core of its knowledge, are shrunk down to a teeny tiny 2 bits. But here's the part that I think is just wild. For the bigger server model, they actually repurposed a texture compression method that was originally designed for video games. It gets decoded directly by the Apple GPUs. It's just a brilliant example of taking an idea from a completely different field to solve a huge problem.
Now, this incredible tech isn't just locked away for Apple's own apps. No way. They've built an entire framework so that any developer can tap into the power of that on-device model. And that means they can build smarter, more personalized experiences into the apps you already love.